What's up, gang? I am Impendingduff. Welcome back to the Quick Tip series. This is Quick Tip 5, and I'm going to be bluntly honest with you. I wasn't even going to upload this one to YouTube, frankly. If you haven't seen the prior Quick Tips, these were recorded a year ago from today, close to about that time. At this point, I still wasn't really serious about this yet. I was serious, right? I was making content for my Patreon, but I wasn't aware of what they would evolve into down the line. And you'll see soon enough, I promise, in coming weeks, the quality will get better, the information will get better, the try will get better. This video is embarrassing, but I told myself I don't care. I'm gonna upload every single one regardless. I still think the information is useful, especially to those of you who don't understand filtering. When I made this video, it was kind of a get it done thing. I'm sure I had just finished stream and I was dead tired and I just needed to record a video to get it done. I can proudly say that I no longer have that approach to these. Today being, what is this, August 18th of 2021, and I've got a cat trying to jump into my lap right now. Point being, this video is a year old. It's very much not the presentation I would hope to give to you, but I do want to preface it with this. The information that I'm giving you in this video is strictly about filtering using your airbrush. I use a transparent paint to filter over a previous technique. Simply put, your airbrush is a glazing tool. It's not an opacity tool. So in this technique, what I fail to explain is that I'm using that glaze, that glazing aspect of the tool to take a transparent paint to filter over a prior technique and change its color. This is a very common practice. We can use it for many different applications. You can use it to make your reds deeper, your shadows darker. You can do so many different applications with this. Unfortunately, back when I recorded this a year ago, I didn't really convey what I was doing or why I was doing it, but you'll see in the quick tip. Just watch the video and you'll see me gradually build up layers to bring up the brightness of the red. And you could just do this with red paint, darker red paint, whatever. But say you possibly started doing a silver metallic, or I should say a silver non-metallic, and then you decide, hey, red would have made this whole miniature come together better than the silver. This is where you would use some sort of filtering to change the hue of the color, or even to change the color altogether. So I apologize. Please know that I promise in future quick tips, hopefully very soon, I believe they will get a little more lengthier. And there will be better information as the production value has increased as soon as I kind of realized that I had a thing going for me. So I appreciate your patience. I appreciate you coming back to check out the video. Of course, if you don't mind, smash that subscribe and give me a like and a comment down below if you find the information useful. And I promise future quick tips will be less cringe, more useful. So I'm begging for mercy on this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, gang. Quick tips. Let's combo off of the non-metallic metal video. Maybe you don't want it to look like traditional steel. Maybe you want it to have some sort of red highlight and read more like red metallic. Guess what?
little transparent paint. Super, super, super thin glaze. Poof. Got yourself a red, non-metallic metal. It's just that easy. All you gotta do, thin down your paint an ungodly amount. This is probably 20 to 1. And I'm using Pro Acryl from Monument. You don't have to use a transparent. You can always use an ink. Something like Scale 75. That's not in focus. Focus. There we go. This is the oxide. It's a little more orange, but you get the point. Any ink will work. Diluted considerably. But just that simple, clean filter. Focus, please. Will get you into the realm of a colored transparent. And you can take it as deep as you want, or as thin as you want, as desaturated as you want. A little air to dry it out so you guys can see the full tone. But poof, even your highlights turn out awesome. And now you have a colored non-metallic metal. All you gotta do, utilize that very thin, super transparent glaze. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick tip.